Good morning, everybody. It's about 4:45 in the morning. Still tired yet. Got the coffee going. Jesse, my buddy from Munster Fish Outdoors. I'll put a link down his YouTube channel at the end of this, or in the description, I should say. But we're gonna go out and take my boat out. I'm in the garage. I don't know if you can see my boat very well or not. But the main reason I ain't got the big lights on is because it creates that hazy, wavy line. It's kind of annoying. Yeah, I know. You gotta love my bald head. But so today we're just gonna try to go for multiple species. We're just gonna just basically drag some baits, throw some lures, and just, you know, have a fun day out in Big River. All right, until then.
Doesn't feel very big though. Oh, he's a better one. Don't you get me.
Nice.
This is a healthy one too.
What the fuck? We just drop in? Okay, let's
You know, just try it here. Fuck it, why not? Oh my god.
What?
Barely got him. I mean,
what do you got out on this? Shrimp?
yeah, shrimp. It had one little tap on it.
Here? Or back there?
Here. Nice little channel. It's a pretty one. Bye-bye. What the heck?
Oh!
Is that a bullhead?
That's a flathead.
It is a flathead.
Still using worm. Not sure what I got here. Oh, that was probably unnecessary.
Well, I know they're small hooks, and I know they like to tend to fall out.
Don't yell at me, little fish.
Is that you? Oh, I got one. Oh yeah.
You just doubled up.
Yep.
Today?
Yeah. I thought I seen my rod bouncing, but I didn't know if you hit it or not. No. And then all of a sudden it's like 100 mile an hour. I'm like, oh no, that's a fish.
You need the net, Bob?
I don't know. Ooh.
Whoa.
What the heck is?
Smallmouth?
I don't know, but it's got a lot of fight to it.
Yep, that's a smallmouth. Oh. Come back.
I'm gonna try bringing them to you. Perfect.
Nice, dude. That's a pretty one too. On a worm on the bottom, eh?
I know. Because I thought I seen something jump out there when I grabbed my rod. I'm like, no way, that's my rod. Sure as heck it was. The heck?
Oh, it's water hitting the bank.
I was like, what is that? It was double hooked.
Oh, went through.
Went through and hooked back in. A nice little smallie. It's a pretty one.
Yeah, it is. You want a picture of that?
Sure.
Here.
I should have held it out further, make it look bigger.
Your eyes are closed. Do it. There you go. I got you.
Perfect. Nice smallie, nightcrawler on the bottom. Big river. Goodbye.
Nice, dude.
Of all things, a smallie on a night crawler on the bottom. You what? Excuse me. Did you? Yep. Nice. Isn't that? Just in case, to make you feel a little bit better.
It's a drum right there. Oh, another tail.
I wanted to net 'em. I wanted to feel privileged.
You can keep that little bit of a worm, buddy. Oh, you dropped it. Not my fault. Don't stab me. I did not get shanked. It's a boat race. Oh man, look at all those boats that were locked up.
Yeah, just imagine how long they had to wait.
Right.
That's why I don't know if I want to go through the lock. I mean, that's why there were so many boats before, I bet you, when they kept coming and coming and coming.
That's gonna get bumpy, buddy. Should we turn the nose of the boat that way? That's going to be a lot of weight coming.
Okay.
Look at that guy. Look, oh, he's on the side of it. It looks like he's just getting soaked.
Yeah.
Yeah, we still got 2 more.
Oh, yeah, there's a bunch of seaweed coming up.
We got stormed out. Well, we got to fish most of the day. But, yeah, start thundering, and we just found a sweet spot, but we had to hurry up and get back to the boat ramp. We got off the river, and then we got maybe 10 minutes in the drive home, and it was raining so hard we couldn't get over 40 mile an hour. And then it started hailing, and that's pretty much how the weather is going to look the rest of the night. But alright, thank you for watching, and have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video.